I picked up this little piece at the thrift shop and I'm going to give her some new life. She had a little bit of damage and just some scuffing, things like that. So I could not leave her just wood, although that would have been my first option. So when you paint a piece, the first thing you're going to do is give it a good scuff sanding. I use 220 grit sandpaper and just go all around it. And then I dry all the sand pieces off and I use some TSP. And that is just a degreaser that really gets in and cleans any kind of junk or yuckiness. Sometimes I have to do this process 2 and even 3 times. I am using Manor Green by Fusion Mineral Paint. I have a link for Fusion if you want to shop there and save 10%. This is my favorite paint. I have used it for almost a decade now and would never go back to another paint. This is just a really gorgeous emerald color. In fact, in just a second here, I'm going to switch my camera so you can really see the color. I'm standing in front of my window right now and blocking the light. But I start by just giving this a light coat of paint all the way around. Make sure your first coat is not super heavy because it will take longer to dry and it will not dry evenly. So nice light coats. The first coat is always the hardest because you've got to get every little part. But once that dries up, you can do the second and third coat pretty quickly. There we go. There is a better look at the color. Again, just a gorgeous, gorgeous green. This is a newer color from them in the last few years. And I think for this piece, I just did 2 coats. And then that third coat is really just more kind of spot coating, any spots that I missed or anything like that. I did not paint the underneath of the table and left those 2 bars wood just to give it some of the wood look, to see some of that natural. This is the best way if you have a small table or chairs to paint spindles or legs. If you can do it, is to just flip it upside down. It's honestly the only way that you're not going to miss a spot. All right, now I'm going to pull it down off the table and paint the top of it. Now you can sand in between your paint coats. Depending on the surface that you're painting, you don't have to. It just depends on what you want the outcome to look like. Now, once it's completely dry and I let it sit for about 24 hours, I am using Fusion Mineral Paint's Clear Wax. This is soft and buttery and it goes a long way. And I'm just taking a soft bristle wax brush and we're just going to go around and then we're going to buff it out with a t-shirt rag. Make sure you don't use paper towel when you are buffing out wax because all those little lint pieces will stick into your piece. So use a nice t-shirt rag and then just, you can do this process a couple times and continue to just buff it as you go. Here are a couple pictures of it finished. This turned out so gorgeous and it is headed to my barn for my vintage market.